that, you can restrict. If you don't have, you can just leave it open. If you have Gmail IDs, Yahoo IDs also you have given to your users, please don't restrict them. But if you feel that you want to give access only to your registered domain, then you can restrict your domain. Self-registration. Now you can see, now we have come to the first point. Ajay sir, do you have any questions?
Yes,
Ajay
sir.
sir? Ajay sir, do you have any questions?
We don't have any question about this. We have questions for various reasons, various field.
Okay. Question papers. Oh, you have questions,
Actually,
sir?
we have,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
about training sessions. We have question about training.
Please tell me, ma'am. Please tell me your question.
Okay, sir. This is my concern is that lack of training is a major issue. First of all, students are not interested in online training because they have lot of training classes. So they are fed up with that. So it's
Ma'am,
better to arrange an online classes for us.
you are representing which institution, ma'am?
Barton Hill Engineering College.
Barton Hill. Ma'am, we have Mr. Arjun, who's located in Trivandrum itself. Kollam, I guess, if I'm not wrong. He'll be ready to, any time we can fix up, and he'll be ready to travel across to give you that training also. No
Okay,
problem
sir.
at all.
Because students are not interested in any online training.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am. We point considered. If you have on the training, if at all, if you need any one session, we can give that also. We are ready to, because we are also doing students who are interested. We can join also online, which I'll be giving. So please, you can also be part of it. But nevertheless, we have Mr. Arjun who will help you out in arranging for a on-site training. Ma'am, in admin, do you have any problem so far in adding users, deleting users? No, right? Okay, now we on the self-registration. On self-registration, this is on. You can see self-registration is saying it's on. Now, what is this? Now, what switch it off, the users cannot register. But if you switch it on, the users can register themselves. When the user register themselves, the request will come to you here like this. In College of Engineering Trivandrum, they have registered, they have switched it on. So these users have registered themselves. Ramu Rajendra, Suman Lal. These users have registered, self-registered, and you can accept or decline. An admin can accept or decline. You are the admin, and you can decide whether to accept or decline this request. Now I'm not accepting declining, so the librarian, the admin, will do this. So they have to accept, looking at the name and email ID and other details. You can view the details also here. So looking at the details, if you want to accept delete, you can accept delete. That's what self-registration is all about. So self-registration can be on. If you feel that I don't want self-registration, sir, we will only register. We will only add user, delete users. We don't want self-registration. You can switch it off like this. But here it is on. I'm keeping it on itself. So that's what it is. So you can add user, delete users. Self-registration can be on. This self-registration, how this will be for users. Now I want to tell this. Anyways, I want to pass this on to the library. So I'm just logging out so that anybody asks, we can explain them. Sign in. You can see user, new user. If I have ID password, I will use this tab. But if I don't have ID password, what will I do? I will go to sign up. In sign up, I will give my email ID, name, and preferred password and sign up. When the moment I sign up, the request will come to you and you can give approval. Now I'm going back to sign in. So users can sign in themselves. The moment they sign in, sorry, when they register, it will come for your request. You can accept, decline later. So it will come here. It will come here. So now user management is over. I am going to the next important module, which is library portal. At the end, I will come for reports. The reports are very important for our any accreditation body. Reports will come at the end. But before that, I want to talk about Portal. In portal, I'm not going to concentrate on home page or static page. Sorry, home page I don't want to because we have already added. But I'll just insist. I'll just slowly overview. I'll give home page. You can add logo. If the College of Engineering Trivandrum feels that this logo is not very clear, we want to add a better logo. You can add better logo. You can add better cover image, like any like a FB, Facebook, or Instagram, or any other. This one you can just add, upload a document, choose the correct file, and you can upload here the banner also behind whatever it's coming. The cover image we call it. The cover banner also you can choose a better. So you can see here it is very pixelated. If the college feels they want to change it, you can choose the better image and you can save this. Color of the font, size of the font, even the names of, we normally call certain names, the widget's name and all that you want to sequence, all that we can do. Now the home page we have already set up. We have already from Nimbus, we have already set this home page for you. But if you want to change, you can go here and you can explore this. But important stuff I want to talk about. Let me talk about static page. A static page, it will be on the top. Let me open another college so that I can refer, I can show you that college, so that what all static page they have added, how we can add and all that. Static page is this. On top, it will come here. This is static page. On top, it will come. Let me add one. For example, College of Engineering Trivandrum. Let me go to College of Engineering Trivandrum website. I'm going to their website. What I'm doing is I just want to add about us. You can add anything. You can add any important link or anything you can add. But what I'm doing is I am adding about us from CET. Or you want to add about us in library also, you can do. Library page you want to. Facilities, technical library, any library page. Okay, I'll just open this technical library page. I'm copying this link. As you can see, I went into my website, copying this link, coming back to my website, and I'm going to add a page. The page is about the library. I'll delete this. If someone who has joined from College of Engineering Trivandrum, I'm using the platform, I'll delete these things. Thank you so much. Is there anyone who has joined from College of Engineering Trivandrum? Sir,
Yes,
madam,
sir.
anybody?
Yes, sir. I am Kannur Sri Kumar.
Hi,
Scientific.
sir.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Sir, thank you. I mean, with your permission, I'll use this. I'll delete it also for the
Okay.
demonstration. I'm using this. So
Okay,
now
sir. You can do
about the
it.
live. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your permission. About the library, I'm going to add it in the header itself, and it is a link. You can see. We can add text also. If text means you have to type here. Yeah, for example, if you have name about, I'm not typing about library. I'm saying notice board. In notice board, you want to write something. The students are requested to assemble on so and so, or anything you want to give, you can put it as text. Or now what I am doing, I am copying this link, this technical library page. This library page, I want to add it to my Nimbus page. Header, hyperlink, because it's a link. I'm copy pasting the link and save. I've added this. You want to add anything more? Maybe I'll add one more, which is called, maybe I will say notice board or new arrivals. New arrivals. And new arrivals, I'm ready to type also. So EBSCO engineering collection added, something like that. So you want to add these details, and if you want to add, I'm going to save this. Now I'll go back to my portal. I'll show you how this is reflecting whatever changes you do here. This will come to your portal. Let me show the portal. Go to library portal. Can you see here about the library? I have written about the library, new arrivals. About the library, when I click, automatically this page is open for me now. You can go here, about the library here. New arrivals, click EBSCO engineering collection. So like this, You can add whatever page, anything important